Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Hilda and thank you so much for tuning in. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to check on my video. I really do appreciate. So guys, I'm back with another video. Guys, you can see that surrounding. So I'm in a place called Nthenge Njeru Falls. It's in Embu County. So I want to show you around. I want to show you the amazing, beautiful views, and of course I'm with African Princess Milka. Yes, you'll check on my previous video. I'm with African Princess Milka, and she's also a content creator. She does an amazing content in her YouTube channel, so go check her out and make sure you watch the video to the end. So guys, let's go. I'm gonna show you how this place looks. Oh my goodness, but this place is so beautiful, plus the views and all that. Ooh, I want to fall down. Yeah, so guys, let me show you the view. Nthenge Njeru Falls in Embu County. Yes. So guys, this is the place. Yeah, here in front we have Milka. She's also recording her videos. Guys, look at that view. I hope my lighting is giving me justice. But we are heading to the falls. Guys, just look at that. And this place is very peaceful. For those who love nature, this is the place to be. If you love nature, this is the place to be. So in here we have let me just reach there and then I'll show you. But we have falls, we have caves, you know, and they are very beautiful looking. Guys, look at that. Eesh. Just see the green, the view. It's giving. Kuteremka huku chini, oh my goodness. And I didn't come with my sport shoe. See what I wore. Like seriously, just see. Oh my goodness. I will fall. Woo. Instead of coming wearing a sport shoe, see what I wore. So guys, this is the place, and it's very safe. It's safe. So guys, this place is so good. It's so amazing. So if you wanna visit Embu County, just visit and holler me. I'll take you around. I'll take you around for free, no charges. So guys, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Just see. Do you love the nature? Do you love hearing the sounds? Kwani unaanguka? I'm telling you, this place, guys, it has really changed. Just see where we are coming from. Just look at that. Here, guys, you have to be extra careful. You have to be extra careful. Oh, I didn't notice there are two falls. So guys, this is the view. Look at that. Look at that. This place is so, and here you have to be extra careful because you see, like here you might tip and fall down. So you have to be extra careful when doing all this. Yeah, so guys, that is the amazing view of the Nthenge Njeru Falls here in Embu County, in a place called Runyenjes. In a place called Runyenjes. In a place called kuna njia hapa. So guys, you can hear that sound of the water. Ooh. Hii place imechange sana. Here you have to be careful. Oh, hata ukitoa saa hii na kwa kuna njia kweli.
Inabidi hata nie.
Yeah, so guys, this is the Nthenge Njeru Falls. As you can see.
The bridge past here.
So guys, we are finally here.
Yay! We've been walking like this. You crawling. It's not a joke.
Yeah, so guys, I hope you have seen the nature. So you can choose to visit this place. It's very peaceful, it's so relaxing. You can see. Just look at that.
See what I'm doing in my throat. We can't. Guys. What is this for?
Blackjack. Is it blackjack? Yeah, so there are a lot of blackjack.
Yeah, blackjack here. It's a forest. It's like big.
Yeah.
Look at that view, guys. What do you think?
Yeah, so guys, that's it. Please watch this video to the end and subscribe. And also subscribe to her YouTube channel.
Yes, please. Don't forget African Princess Milka.
Yeah.
Go show some love.
Yeah, go show some love, guys. So yeah.